is the sprouting kit, the most nutritious food on the planet grown by you. So inside the kit, there is a little measuring spoon. You can order your own sprouting seeds. These are organic sprouting broccoli seeds and a salad mix. 10 different varieties available. You have a glass jar. This is a 55-ounce large glass vessel. You have your drip tray and your stand. The stand all fits together. The way that you sprout is so simple. You take the jar, you open it up, you take a bag of seeds, you take the measuring cup, 1 scoop, add it in. Then you add water, swirl it around, and you let this sit for 5 to 8 hours or even overnight. The next morning, you take the jar, you strain out the extra water. You add some new water, spin it around, keep it all wet, strain out the extra water. Then you want to spread the seeds around the jar. Put them in the stand. You do that twice a day, and lo and behold, you will get magic.